Open the battery's carton and check if the accessories are complete. Connect the power line on the battery side. Connect the power line on the inverter side. Please notice the yellow label on the cable. Connect the cable to the inverter's RS485 port. Connect another side to the battery's IN port. Turn on the battery switch. Set the battery dip switch to 1100. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Click the inverter's display. Enter the battery setup. Please save the battery settings as shown in the video guide. Click the battery icon on main display. Check if the battery data can be viewed. When there are two pieces of batteries, connect the two positive power cables to master battery. Connect the two negative power cables to slave battery. Connect the communication cable on the IN port of the master battery. Set the dip switches for master and slave batteries. Set the master battery dip switch to 1100. Self batteries dip 0000.